Nystatin cream is used to treat fungal skin infections. It is an antifungal medication that works by stopping the growth of fungus. This cream is applied to the affected area as directed by your doctor. It is usually applied 2 to 3 times a day. It is best to use it at the same times each day. Make sure to wash and dry the affected area before applying the cream. Apply a thin layer of the cream to the affected area and rub it in gently. When using Nystatin cream, it's important to only apply it to the skin. Make sure the area is clean and dry before applying the medication. Your doctor will usually recommend applying the cream twice a day, and the duration of treatment will depend on the type of infection. It's important not to apply the cream more frequently than prescribed. Be sure to apply enough cream to cover the affected area and some of the surrounding skin. After applying the cream, remember to wash your hands, unless you are using it to treat your hands. Avoid wrapping, covering, or bandaging the area unless your doctor tells you to do so. If using the cream in the diaper area for an infant, avoid using tight-fitting diapers or plastic pants. Do not apply the cream in the eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. For the best results, use the cream regularly at the same times each day. Continue using it until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if symptoms improve before the treatment is complete. Stopping the medication too early could cause the infection to return. If your condition lasts after 2 weeks of treatment or gets worse at any time, be sure to consult your doctor. If you experience skin irritation or redness, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. This medication has been prescribed to you because the benefit is greater than the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not have serious side effects. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. If you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Nystatin cream, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. You should also inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. And if you are planning to have surgery, make sure to let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using Nystatin cream. Additionally, it is not known if this drug passes into breast milk, so make sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Nystatin cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions, as they can affect how well the medication works and may increase your risk of experiencing serious side effects. It's crucial to inform your doctor and pharmacist about all the products you are using, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as any herbal products. This will help them to better understand any potential interactions and provide you with the best possible care. It's also important to never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first consulting your doctor for their approval. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms that may occur after swallowing include nausea, vomiting, or stomach upset. It's important to store this medication out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Remember to always follow the recommended dosage and usage instructions provided by your healthcare provider. It's important not to share Nystatin cream with others. This medication is specifically prescribed for your current condition, so it should not be used for any other infection unless your doctor advises you to do so. If you forget to use Nystatin cream at the scheduled time, you can apply it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, it's better to skip the missed one and continue with the regular schedule. It's important not to use a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Nystatin cream at room temperature and away from children and pets. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the cream is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.